The real reason I came up here is for this car show up at this church. They do it like once a month, I believe. And it's the one where I saw all the exotics last time, so should be a good turnout. Gotta walk up a giant hill to get here, so that's why I'm out of breath. Really vibrant. Beautiful car.
Replaying the game and not losing. Been banging the name and ain't changing a thing except all the rules in it. I'm a rule, ain't bone, no human. Gotta go short tours off of it.
Good luck with pizza on the hot grill.
Oh, the LS swab. Sheesh. And the GMC. Oh man, this seems nice. Blackwing. Look at the carbon fiber badge. That's so sick. The Porsche exhaust. The Benzo. The C63, I think. McLaren 750S. Man, that color. Oh, crazy. Beautiful car. Oh my god. Still specialty steering wheel. Strange axle. I wish he had the hood pop though. Oh my god. Yo, what is this? This is crazy. This is crazy. I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know what it is. So it's great. Pretty sure it's electric. Oh, it's gotta be a hybrid. What an interesting color. 911 Carrera. I think it's one of the new models. They said they're bringing out new models today. 2025 911 Carrera Cabriolet. Nice. Purple one's crazy. Yeah. That's it. Which one of these is yours? 2025 Taken 4. Another 911 Carrera S. That's crazy. 6C8. Got hella carbon on this thing. Is that a Tome? This thing on the welds. A whole carbon fiber front. M5. AMG who? That's fire. Love a good M5. Man. And an M2? And that powder blue? I like that color. Color's good. Here. The X-Drive. Oh, those wheels are sick. Sheesh. The Caddy.
It's all on the wall now in my garage.
The Kith license plate holder. R2.